Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong next blessing anytime soon. Ayan, kasi this is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. Ayan, nagpahiwatig na ang transformation. Major change. Okay, so if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. So, tanan natin. Ano yung blessings na parating sa mga Sagittarius? Blessings. Okay, you have the 9th house, which is your house. Ang dami, ito Pluto, lumabas din sa Scorpio. Ito talagang maraming transformations that are going to happen sa collective. Major change. Major shift in their life, in their perspective. Oo, kasi Pluto is now in Aquarius. It's in retrograde right now. So, you have Pluto in Scorpio. Wow, in the 9th house. So, some of you, Sagittarius, maaring merong pagbabago pagdating sa pananaw nyo sa buhay, sa belief system ninyo. You are more, parang investigative, no? Kumbaga, very curious ka about a belief system or mga knowledge na gusto mong malaman, mas maintindihan pa, no? So, parang you are diving deeply sa interest mo ngayon. And Pluto is the planet of power. No? So I feel like you are gaining a lot of power right now. The more na nadidiscover mo who you really are, what is your purpose. 9th house is also about travel. Maaring yung iba sa inyo kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-travel ng madalas. So ang next blessing nyo is traveling more, especially outside of the country. No? Sa exploring different cultures, knowing new people. Ayan. So talagang very kayo, excited na mag-explore at mas marami pang makilala. Ayan meron ka ritong this is Gabo. Gabo is opportunity, blessings, gifts. So pwedeng meron kayong matatanggap na unexpected gift from someone. Okay? Pwede tong gift from abroad or gift from a partner na kung meron kang partner na foreigner, ayan, or nasa ibang bansa. So, maaring makaka-receive ka ng mga unexpected gifts. You also have, this is Inhuas, okay? This is about your sexuality, your inner growth. I think mas lalo kang mas lalo mong natutuklasan yung sarili mo. I feel like you are becoming more ang tawag doon? Explorative. May ganun bang word? Oo. Yung parang mas gusto mo mag-explore. You want to get to know who you really are. It's like freedom. Okay? Freedom. Kasi some of you, naka-experience kayo ng limitations in the past. Yung parang pakiramdam mo, may mga pumipigil sa mga gusto mong gawin. And I think, ikaw mismo yung gagawa ng paraan para makaalis ka sa limitations na yan. That is part of the transformation that you are going through. Alam nyo, itong transformation na to, hindi siya madali, hindi siya mabilis na pangyayari. It's a process, no? So, unti-unti yung journey mo into changing yourself, changing your mindset, yun yung magpapalaya sa'yo. And ang sarap ng feeling pag malaya ka. Malaya mong na-express yung sarili mo, na malaya mong natutuklasan pa yung mga interest mo sa buhay. Oo. So, yung limitations mo na yan, that is being lifted. Kumbaga parang nakawala ka sa hawla, nakawala ka sa prison. Okay? Hindi naman siya literal, no? Pero alam mo yung feeling na gano'n na meron kang mga nakagisnan na ito yung traditional mong nakagisnan simula nung bata ka. And then, things change. Marami, naging curious ka, gusto mong matutunan pa kung sino ka, kung ano yung mga gusto mo sa buhay. And may mga mangyayari sa buhay mo na kung saan minsan mahirap, minsan challenging, minsan masaya. It's a journey, but it will lead you to a major change in your life na talagang you will be fully in control kasi lumipad yung wait lang. Laging lumilipad ang mga cards kasi ang table ko nasa harap ng bintana. So, medyo mahangin. So, ito. You have the Emperor. So, this is being in control of your life. Having that power. Yung analogy nito is para kang nag-18 years old. Tapos, yung parents mo ay nung mas bata ka, pinipigilan ka sa maraming gusto mong gawin. Siyempre kasi bata ka pa, no? But when you turned 18, doon ka na nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na i-explore yung mga gusto mo. So, pwedeng umalis ka na ng bahay. Ganon. Analogy lang. Pwede rin naman kasing yan talaga yung literal na nangyayari. But for some of you, you were, nakaalis ka dun sa na yan, limitations mo. And now, you are taking back your power. See? Wow. Ace of Wands. This is new beginning. Travel opportunities. Some of you are starting out a new career, a new business. Yung iba sa inyo, starting your own family. Being with someone na mahal nyo. Diba? Exploring lives with them or living with them. Ayan o. Freedom talaga. You are free. And justice. Wow. This is something that you deserve, Sagittarius. I feel like marami kang realization sa buhay mo. Binibigyan mo ng hustisya ang sarili mo sa mga alam mong dinideserve mo. Diba? It really makes sense. Kasi sa totoo lang, ang Sagittarius energy is about exploration, learning, expansion. Pero kung hindi mo yan na-experience ngayon, that can create frustration sa buhay mo na maaring makaapekto sa mga actions mo, sa relationships mo sa iba. But, with the Three of Wands, this is expansion, no? This is good luck, having adventures. So, some of you talaga para kang yung mahaba ang hair na si Rapunzel na kinulong ng kanyang mother sa tower. Tapos, nung na-explore niya yung mundo, talagang para siyang sobrang excited, no? Ganon. Ace of Cups. Some of you, ang blessing nyo is new relationship, new opportunities in love, new connections, diba? Ganda. You also have the Two of Wands, partnership. So, some of you, ang blessing nyo is business partnership or romantic relationships for someone na first time nyo maka-experience ng love, diba? And then you have dream, sweet, sleep deep. So, isa sa blessing nyo is makakatulog na kayo ng mahimbing. Makakatulog kayo ng mas maayos ngayon. So, pwedeng you are going to focus on your health, no? Yung inyong mental health din. Trust. You trust yourself. You trust the process. Nagtitiwala ka sa proseso na kailangan mong pagdaanan. Oh my God. Peace of mind. Alam mo yung feeling na nakalaya ka tapos wala ka nang inaalala kasi you are in control. That's basically it. You will be playing a different role. Oh, diba? So this is something exciting. Bagong gaganapan mo sa buhay. Hidden secrets can harm you. May mga secrets. na maaring matutuklasan mo or pwedeng natuklasan mo na somehow ito yung nag-lead sa'yo para mapalaya mo yung sarili mo. Oh, love. Love is loving yourself. Loving the people na nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. A period of ill health, depression. So I think ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, aayusin niyo yung mental health niyo. Maaring this is related doon sa mga limitations na na-experience niyo from others, mga controlling na tao sa buhay niyo, and now you are freeing yourself from that. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.